heavy.
Yeah, he is. He was thumping, man. He was trying to get into those pilings all the way over there. He was almost in them when we went by it.
Oh, there he is, big fish.
Yeah.
Real nice fish.
There he goes. Or she goes. We're not real light here, but we're not real heavy either. It's a 20-pound mono here. A 50-pound leader. Fish is over 40.
Beautiful looking fish.
Yeah, they're nice here.
Nice fish.
Tired, Charlie?
A little bit.
All right, I gotta take a little time to revive this one. She was a pretty long fight. All right, see if you can get her back straight up and down, and we'll send her off.
Here we go. I'm gonna release. There she goes. She just swam away.
Beautiful. Good job, Charlie. Way to break in the ear.
Oh man, that was beautiful. Nice.
Woo! We are doubled up out here. Charlie's got one. I got. Man, mine was running. Mine's running for the hills, brother.
This is a big fish.
I can't. I'm gonna have to put this camera down. Well, we'll get a picture of me letting him go, letting her go in a minute. Trolling motor is on, so. Trolling motor's on.
Oh, okay, I'm trying.
Okay, I see the bead. You're close. Nice fish.
Oh, she was touching the ground. That's why. I was pulling her up all the way.
Oh, okay. Hold on. 38. Not 30. That's 40.
40.
That is.
Yeah, I was touching the ground.
There's
Sorry.
my hand. 40. A hair over 40. We'll call it 40. There you go.
Sweet fish.
Good job, Charlie.
Oh, sorry.
We'll turn that one loose too. All right, we can keep fish, but we're not going to. Go ahead, Charlie. Torpedo her. Get her right back in. Douche.
Away she goes.
There you go.
Big fish.
Just drifting. Come on, baby. Again, I leave the clicker on purpose. I know some people don't like the sound of it. I love the sound of the clicker going out.
Good hook right in the lip. Good job. Nice fish, Mike.
How's that look? You got her in there?
Not the whole thing. Let me step back a little bit.
She's already kicking. Oh, there she is.
Oh, nice.
Good job, good job. All right.
Here's Dwayne right out there, buddy of mine. His buddy's hooked up.
He's angry.
Whoa, there.
There she goes. There she goes. He saw the boat and didn't like that one bit.
Yeah, he's bigger than I thought. When I saw him come up the first time, he didn't look that big. Yeah, he changed his mind. I thought that was going to be a nice quick battle. You make me laugh.
All right. Tighten that up a little bit now, come on. We're gonna get a double or a triple here.
Nice. There we go, another nice striper.
Finally. Charlie's just leaving the country.
Sweet.
Is it?
Nice
Thank
fish.
you.
Well, we had a double on, so you didn't really get to see this one battle too much, but it's a nice fish, close to 40 pounds. I didn't see the exact weight, but a nice fish. Wait 1 second, Mike.
And Dwayne just hooked up.
Are you shared down fish with me? Let me share with you. Wait.
Nice. Dwayne Lamb. A lot of these fish were just coming in off the ocean. They're covered in sea lice, which is a good sign. A lot of bigger fish moving down the coast. Heavy fish.
Good.
Even when they're light, they fight heavy. You know that?
Yeah. Sweet.
You got the reel in here too? Or? We're fishing a lot of lines. I'm using the trolling motor to pull us along here. And if you, I don't know if you noticed, you really can't see, but the line is coming back underneath, almost on the other side of the boat back here. And there's no need to go underneath every single rod and fight it. Fight every rod and possibly lose the fish. As long as you keep the boat moving forward, I got the trolling motor right here, keeping us moving forward. As long as you keep moving forward, that fish will stay there, and eventually I'll get her to turn and come out over here.
Because Mike actually doesn't really tangle with the other rods, and as you can see, look around. We have plenty of rods around here. A whole bunch running around here.
All we're doing is drifting eels, 30-pound mono, trilene big game, 60-pound fluorocarbon leader. Don't necessarily need fluorocarbon, but once you got so much money invested in, you might as well go ahead and do anything that can hedge your bet.
There he goes.
Right there. He's gonna win this one. See if I can go under. Not cool. Solid fish. Oh, come on. Got 30. 26. Finally, get to use the new one.
Nice. I was screaming, too bad I couldn't get the camera quicker.
You're getting quicker with it though.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Nice job.
New 2-speed, finally got the... Had to get some good juju on this reel, you know what I mean? We're catching them on all the older reels.
Hey Mike, you want to let Charlie reel one in now?
Tide is completely slack right now. It's dead low tide. And the trick is using the trolling motor to pull you along. You got to keep moving. You sit around on a slack tide and do nothing. You're not going to catch anything. And that low gear is insane. I don't have to pump the rod. Seriously, look, I don't have to pump it.
Nice, see that.
See that? Just keep her here with the boga grip, no hurry. More dorsal fins coming up. See a dorsal fin coming up?